Today's topic is motion. This is a physics GCSE topic, and without any further delay, let's get into the video. Let's start off with the first question in this video. What is a vector? A vector quantity is something with size and direction. So for example, when you draw a force, you show the direction it points to with an arrow. That's because forces are vectors. Some more examples of vectors include lift, weight, momentum, force, etc. Now let's move on to scalar quantity. What is a scalar? A scalar quantity only has a size, but no specific direction. For example, mass is a scalar. Speed and velocity are similar, but speed is a scalar and velocity is a vector. So with velocity, the direction it is traveling in is very important. Some examples of scalars include distance, time, area, speed, energy, etc. Speed. Speed measures how far an object goes in a set time. For example, how many meters it goes in a second. Unit here would be meters per second, or m/s. In order to calculate the distance, you need to remember a very important equation, which is distance is equal to speed times time. Now I'm going to talk about acceleration. Acceleration measures how quickly the velocity or speed is changing. So positive acceleration means it's getting faster. Negative acceleration means it's getting slower or decreasing. Zero acceleration means it's going at a steady speed. Here's another equation. In order to calculate acceleration, you need to do change in velocity, which is m/s, over the time taken in seconds. So here's the triangle, velocity is on the top, acceleration and time. The unit for acceleration is meters per second squared, or m/s squared. Now let's learn about distance time graphs by analyzing three scenarios. The first scenario, which is scenario A, Nathan is walking in the park. He travels 80 meters in 100 seconds. In scenario B, he stops to chat to a friend for 100 seconds. In scenario C, Nathan is now late, so he has to jog. Follow-up fact, you can find the speed using a distance time graph by finding the gradient. So, remember that the gradient is equal to the speed. So the steeper the slope is, the faster they are moving. The flat line means they aren't moving at all. Let's calculate the speed for each part of the journey. Now let's start by calculating the speed while he is walking. Here we can see that he travels 80 meters in 100 seconds. So the speed here is 80 over 100, which is 0.8 meters per second. Now we can move on to calculating the speed while he is chatting. Here we can see that he travels a distance of 0 meters in 100 seconds. So here the speed would be 0 meters per second. Finally, we calculate the speed while he is jogging. Here we can see that the distance is 120 and the time is 200 seconds. So 120 over 200 is 0.6 meters per second. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope it helped with your studies and your exams. Please don't forget to like this video, share it to anybody else who might need help with physics, and subscribe to my channel. This is Ihsan K, Think Talk, signing out.